want your body. You know I wanna taste. Girl, when I get your body, I will not hesitate. I know I want you. These are the things I say. Girl, won't you jump up on it?
Okay, so today is a self-care vlog, and we're just gonna get into it. Look at that guy looking at me. I hope y'all saw him. He was staring. But anyway, we're coming in here. We're gonna get some laundry detergent, and we're gonna go do laundry.
You gon' put the crown on the shit. This is for your benefit. Hands on your neck, grabbing on your chest. I can see you anxious, girl. Watch what happens next. I got you a demon, but you're heaven sent. I must be a lucky guy. Thank you for the memory. You know I want your body. You know I wanna taste. Girl, when I get your body, I will not hesitate. I know I want you. These are the things I say. Girl, won't you jump up on it? Then I take it away.
Wait, I don't know. He know us? Okay. Have a blessed one. I don't know that man. I don't know that man, Mom. I don't know. We get away from crazy people like that. Hands on your neck, grabbing on your chest. I can see you anxious, girl. Watch what happens next. I got you a demon, but you're heaven sent. I must be a lucky guy. Thank you for the memory. Girl, when I get your body, I will not hesitate. I know I want you. These are the things I say. Girl, won't you jump up on it? Then I take it away. So my mother literally slayed my hair. My hair looks so cute. It looks, I have to get this, I don't know what this is, but it looks so cute. It is exactly what I wanted, like, period. I'm on my way to the gym, so yeah, self-care day is ending off exactly how I wanted. Okay, so it is the next day, and I'm super excited because I still get to put my beauty room together, which is literally my recording space. Absolutely love it. absolutely love it. But it's still some things that I want to add to it. So, of course, I ordered from good old Amazon. If you talk about self-care, like literally, I can look at flowers all day long and be mentally okay with life. I recently got into dried flowers and I have not turned back since. This is not going to work. Like, I know I got scissors in here.
Then I take it away. I'ma put it down. Got a couple crowns in the fridge. You gon' be like, damn, I'm interested. Don't get down on the shit. You gon' put the crown on the shit. This is for your benefit. Hands on your neck, grabbing on your chest. I can see you anxious, girl. Watch what happens next. I got you a demon, but you're heaven sent. I must be a lucky guy. Thank you for the memory. You know I want your body. You know I wanna take. Girl, when I get your body, I will not hesitate. I know you know I want you. These are the things I say. Girl, once you jump up on it, then I take it away.
Okay, so this is literally the next morning, but I'm gonna end this vlog off right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I am getting my beauty room together and I absolutely love it. My recording space is my little baby and I love to make it look super beautiful. I want it to look exactly like me. Yeah, this is the end of the video. Comment down below, subscribe, click that bell to be notified every time I upload, like and share this video. Check out some of my other videos if you have not already, and I'll talk to you guys later in my next one.